morning. So how do you feel about fall cycling?
Good so far.
All right.
Now that we have all our layers in place.
Yep, so many layers. Track 27.
Biking up a mountain, maybe, I don't know, to be determined.
To be determined. Alright.
Fall foliage. Foliage.
Foliage?
Foliage.
Hey, I'm not big. Oh yeah, look at you. Cute stores.
Yeah, very cute.
So we're in Cold Spring now. We've been here before for some hiking trips, but now we're on biking trips. Ha 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 ha. It's pretty steep, so we're trying to pace ourselves and decided to walk our bikes for a bit. How's the climb?
Oh, I walked.
Oh, you could have lied.
Really?
Yeah. Wow. We're almost halfway off the climb and
Halfway of the climb or halfway of the ride?
oh, halfway of the ride. Halfway of the ride, actually.
And halfway through the climb.
Well, to the climb, I think this is more than halfway to the climb then.
Okay.
Yeah, halfway to the ride.
It's hard.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah. My feet are cold.
Oh.
My toes. My feet get really cold. Let's see if we can do this.
Yeah.
That was steep.
Too steep. I didn't know there's a landscape like this in New York.
I know.
That's a cute house. No swimming. So what do you think about this route?
I have a lot of feelings. I wish it was easier for me. I didn't realize it was going to be so difficult.
Yeah. What's up, Lise? Ooh.
I feel like a real biker today.
Uh-huh. Going back to the road. I gotta rest for a bit. Lisa is dropping me because she's pretty good with energy conservation. I like to sprint, stop, sprint and stop, sprint and stop. We did a lot of climb today, like a lot. Check your mails. Isn't it pretty? Wow.
Yeah, I found my pace.
You did?
Slow and steady.
Yeah.
Then my heart doesn't go too fast.
Okay. Yeah.
And then I can make it up the hill.
Mm-hmm.
I just have to go slow instead of push.
I like to push, but then I would lose steam and then I'll stop.
Yeah. I don't like it. It makes me nauseous.
Oh, I see. Turn right there, just before the climb. Isn't it nice?
Yeah. Really nice. I love it.
Yeah. Quite a payoff,
Change
right?
of heart. Yeah. And I'm glad the sun came out.
Yeah. Slowly, lots of holes. This is so nice. Back on the road. It's not that bad here.
Sun,
Yeah.
beauty.
Talking about yourself?
I had a turning point in my ride, so now I feel like I can make it.
We're mastering the hike.
We are.
Ooh.
How you feeling, Fandi? Okay?
Yeah, I'm pretty good.
So pretty.
Yeah. Welcome to Cold Spring. Back in
This
Cold
was
Spring.
the hardest ride, but I'm most proud of myself
Nice.
because I had to silence a lot of negative thoughts. Once I did, I got through it. And it was really beautiful. So
Yeah, it is beautiful.
I'm proud of myself.
Nice. What's up? Well, calories burned are gonna be offset.
Well, this is pretty healthy.
Okay. We had lunch there.
Yeah.
Hey.
Alright.
Alright.
So, for me, this was my toughest ride because I really didn't think I would be able to make it. But I did make it.
Yeah.
And I came to peace with myself and my riding. Because you're only riding against yourself and no
That's
one
true.
else. You're just trying to improve yourself. So once I found my pace, it was okay. And it was a really, really, really beautiful ride. Very fancy area. Like,
Yeah.
very fancy. I wasn't expecting that much fanciness.
It's where I guess New Yorkers retire.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Yeah.
Like really rich.
Really rich New
weather.
Yorkers retire.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was definitely a lot of uphill this ride.
It's yeah.
Oh, I mean, also it was like our first ride in colder weather, so that
That's
was
true.
also made it more challenging because
Yeah.
you're also fighting the cold. But luckily, it didn't feel cold while riding for the most part. But now it's a little chilly, so we're in this heating station,
Yep.
staying warm, which is really nice.
It's nice. I planned this route. It's from Google Maps. You can see from the Google Maps how much of elevation it is. But then, you can't really tell until you actually do that. We reach 2,000 feet of elevation. And apparently that's a lot. A lot.
Yeah.
Especially for us.
The first couple hills were just like really, they weren't as gradual. They were like
It's very
really
steep. Yep. It's
The more gradual ones, yeah, but those first ones were like, what?
Yeah.
My body was not ready for it yet.
Yeah. So in total, we did 23 miles. That's including, biking and actually walking the bike.
Yeah.
And then in total, we rode 4 hours. And then, as I mentioned earlier, 2,000 feet, approximately 2,000 feet of elevation. So that's quite a lot for us.
Yeah. I'm really proud of myself. I really was like not enjoying the ride for the first part. I was like, I'm not doing well. I feel like I'm not riding well. I'm not enjoying myself because I'm not riding. I'm just walking my bike up. But then I decided to change my attitude.
And voila.
And then I really enjoyed it.
Yeah. All right. So see you next time.
Yeah, let us know what you think of our video and if there's any other places you'd like us to ride or any tips for riding in the cold weather.
Yeah.
We'd like to do a few more cold weather rides and we'd love your feedback.
Input.
And input.
All right. Bye.